Hey, here's a quick how-to and review of a micro mesh pool cover that we recently bought online. So here's what we got. We've got two boxes. One obviously holds our mesh cover, and then the other one has water bags in it. The water bags, you fill them up obviously with water and you put them around the edges to keep it from blowing away. So we've opened the boxes, but we haven't began to pull these out. And so that's what we're looking to do next. And we bought ours from Doheny's online. Seemed to be about the best deal and good quality stuff. And so let's get this out and spread it out and see what we've got. So now our cover is unfolded and on. I would definitely recommend that you get at least one other person to help you. It's not really that heavy, it's just awkward, especially if your pool's bigger. Now, our pool is 16 by 32, and we've actually taken an above ground pool, sunk it down in the ground, mainly just because it was a very inexpensive project compared to a concrete pool, and quite fun, to be honest with you. And we've really enjoyed it. So I ended up, because of that, it is 16 by 32, but it goes down a little deeper than what a normal in-ground pool would be. So I actually got a larger cover than what I probably should have. Should have got the 16 by 32, but I was afraid that it wouldn't be big enough. So I went with the step up from that. And but either way, I think it looks really good. Now, the only thing left that we have to do is get water put into these bags. And so we're gonna do that right now. So let me show you a little bit closer on these. It's pretty simple, just squirt your water in, close the lid, but it actually says 50 to 75% capacity on those for your water. So I'm assuming that's for freezing temperatures. We're in South Carolina, so we don't have a lot of cold weather, but we do get below freezing several days during the winter usually. So I don't want anything to happen to these. So I'm gonna abide by the rules. And also on this cover, this is sewn in, these loops. Of course, we put these through the loops, but they certainly have a lot more room that you can put stuff through there. So I guess you can kind of, you know, do your own thing, make up some things to put through there, hold it down. And also it also has these, so you could probably tie it off if you wanted to. But overall, I think I'm pretty happy. Got to do some adjusting around the edges, but looks pretty good. So hopefully it'll last a good while. So if you'll check back in the spring, I'll give you an update on how well this did through freezing temperatures with video and things like that. Just give you an update on how durable it was. I have a feeling that it'll do really well. Don't forget to check out the rest of our pool videos. At the end of this, there'll be a link, and subscribe to our channel. Either way, appreciate you guys watching.